Welcome to Supercat Automation Clicker. Today, we will learn the basics and explore the Pro movement features. To add a new action, simply move your mouse to the target and press F8. The coordinates are saved instantly. In the action grid, you can define what the bot will do. Here, we select mouse left click. Next, set the delay time. We will set it to 1000 milliseconds, which equals 1 second. Let's add one more point to create a simple sequence. Now, let's enable the Pro features. Check Humanized click and move and Random position. This powerful feature simulates natural human mouse trajectories using Bezier curves, making your automation undetectable. Press F6 to start the sequence. Notice the smooth, human-like curved movements and slight coordinate variations. To instantly stop the automation, press F7. That is it for the basics. Stay tuned for the next tutorial where we will dive into smart vision and logic jumps.